Merry Christmas, everybody. Boyd here with you. Well, I just wanted to make a quick little video today to show you guys this great little model kit I just finished working on. This is the AMT 132 scale 32 Ford V8 Coupe, the first year that Ford ever put a V8 in one of their cars. And a lot of people might argue that back in the day, this was the original muscle car. Small car, lightweight, large V8 engine with a lot of power. And it was just a smash hit, and it set a whole new trend and revolutionized the way that Americans wanted and bought their cars ever since then. So just a real legend of a car. And these are available right now at your local Ollie's if you have one in your area for 10 bucks, you guys, so you can't beat that. And I just wanted to show you the kit really quick. It's really nice. It's really detailed. It's a curbside, no engine and everything, but everything else is really, really nice. And, you know, the body shape is excellent. All the parts are, you know, there that you need for the main amount of detail on this model. And great little interior, too. You got, you know, your shifter, your foot pedals, your steering wheel, all that good stuff on a usual kit. So had a lot of fun with this. I built this over the weekend. I started on it just before 5 o'clock last night, and got it done about 3 o'clock in the afternoon today. So really easy build. I mainly had to wait for my paint to dry, but we did a nice little you know, base coat, clear coat paint job on this, and, you know, spruced it up. I painted it the same as the box art you can see here. So just had a lot of fun with them. I thought you guys might like to see it. So just another one to put up on the shelf. Well, we're going to be starting a new project here this week, you guys. So I wanted to show you what that is. Back to some Star Trek here. We're going to do the I've had this kit for quite a while now. I've been meaning to get to it. So this is the Galileo kit from round 2. And we've also got the interior kit for this. So I'll be working on this starting next week and just kind of maybe take a week or two to get it finished. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to light it. If I do light it, I'm just going to light the interior part of the cockpit here. I'm not going to go ahead and light the nacelles or anything like that because I don't want to have to put it up on a big stand and all that kind of stuff. And we'll just kind of work with it like that. But it's got a really neat, you know, figure crew set here. And it's just a fun, really model to work on. I've watched a lot of other videos of the people putting this together, and it seems like it's a really, really nice kit. So looking forward to it. Hope you guys will tune in and check it out. We'll see you starting around Monday or Tuesday on this one, and then we'll go from there. Take care out there, and happy modeling, you guys.